The time now, it's 11:30 in the morning time on this June 20th, 2014 on a Friday. It's time now for the What Magician PJ Wiggins, the Noontime Report. Friday, June 20th, 2014. Good afternoon, everybody. Our current conditions at 11:30 a.m. in North Massachusetts. 75 degrees of temperature with fair skies. Humidity of 32%. Wind speed north about 8 miles per barometer. 29 for 92 inches. Dew about 43 degrees and a visibility of 10 miles. Alright, let's take a look at our radar scope. It shows a couple of patches of rain showers ran down eastern Maine and stretching it down from New Brunswick, down from central and eastern portions of Nova Scotia. And another line of showers from eastern Quebec and Gaspé province of Quebec. And some rain showers in west central portions of Prince Edward Island there. And a lot of rain showers in central portions of Indiana. A lot of rain showers from northwestern Ohio, stretching on Michigan, northeastern Wisconsin, UP, and Michigan, and up the west central portions of Ontario. And a couple of inches of showers and storms around central Nebraska. A lot of rain showers in eastern portions of South Dakota. A lot of rain showers from eastern portions of North Dakota down for southwestern Manitoba, stretching in Saskatchewan. A lot of rain showers in southeastern British Columbia, stretching it up in eastern British Columbia down for northwestern portions of Alberta. And we got a couple of patches of rain showers off the Florida east coast and a lot of rain showers down to 75 from Fort Myers down to Tampa. And stretching off the Florida Gulf Coast, and the patches of rain showers off the Gulf Coast states of Mississippi, Alabama, and Louisiana, and a couple of patches of rain showers in the northeastern Mexico, and a lot of rain showers in southwestern Texas there. And we got some rain showers in north central and central portions of Idaho, and rain showers southeast of Portland, Oregon, and spotty rain showers in west central Washington State, and some sleet or snow showers around the mountain area of Washington State. Pollock, Idaho, good morning, 55 degrees with broken clouds. Let's take a look at our satellite though. Buried in it shows a couple of patches of clouds covered in northern Maine and stretching in Quebec and then of Metro Canada, and another patch of clouds covered in Virginia, coastline stretching at the sea. And a couple of patches of rain clouds off the eastern Florida coastline. And a lot of clouds from northeastern Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, stretching over to Michigan and Wisconsin up to Ontario, and stretching it down for much of Canada's western provinces from Manitoba, stretching down to British Columbia, and then stretching it down to western Washington State. And another batch of clouds from Idaho down western Montana, Wyoming, and down to northern Utah, down for Nevada. And we got some clouds from Oklahoma down for Texas and stretching into Mexico. And let us take a look at a map situation here. A cold front from northern California stretching over to central Oregon, Washington, up to British Columbia, and a station front from eastern Arizona stretching down from New Mexico and down through Kansas, and a cold front from Kansas down Missouri and out of Iowa, warm front from Illinois, Indiana, and a station front from Kentucky and Virginia, and stretching out to sea. And a pink front from western Wisconsin stretching down to northeastern Montana, down for western Ontario and east central portions of Manitoba. And a front by from southern Idaho down from north central Nevada down for California, and a front by from Arizona down for western Mexico. Followed by from central Mexico, and followed by from northeastern Mexico, stretching western Texas. And a followed by from eastern Nebraska, stretching western Iowa down to Minnesota, and a followed by down for the Dakotas. And a followed by from Massachusetts and stretching out to sea. And we got high pressure western Wyoming, western Colorado, Louisiana, eastern Tennessee, and we got low pressure North Carolina off the Florida east coast, and southeastern Colorado, southwestern Idaho, and southern Arizona. 72 degrees of temperature in Boston, 76 in Washington, D.C., 83 in Atlanta, 84 in Miami and in Brownsville, Texas, 81 in Dallas, Texas. It's 76 in Kansas City, 73 in Chicago, 69 in Minneapolis, 65 in Denver and Salt Lake City, 73 in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 61 in Great Falls, Montana. It's 53 in Seattle, 58 in San Francisco, and 66 in Los Angeles here. Alright, let's take a look at our current radiation by the region. We got 73 in Boston, 72 in Pittsburgh, 71 in Bedford, 70 in Beverly. It's 64 in Gloucester, 67 in Worcester, 68 in Sturbridge, 69 in Webster, 71 in Milford, it's 75 in Houghton, 73 in New Bedford, it's 72 in Marshfield, 73 in Falmouth, 68 in Chatham, 66 in Provincetown, 71 in Nantucket, 72 in Martha's Vineyard, 64 in Cape Cod Bay. It's 72 out in Block On, 75 in Wesley, 70 in Smithfield, it is 73 in Springfield, 67 in Amherst, 70 in Greenfield, 66 in Pittsfield and North Adams, it's 68 in Albany, 65 in Bennington, 69 in Brattleboro, 66 in Keene and Jeffrey, New Hampshire, 66 in Concord, New Hampshire, 68 in Manchester, New Hampshire, 70 in Nashville, New Hampshire, 71 in Pottsville, New Hampshire, 64 in New Hampshire Bay, 62 in Boston Harbor, 73 in Windsor, 72 in Hartford, 74 in Meriden, 74 in Bridgeport, 72 in New Haven, 69 in Danbury, 66 in Waterbury. It is 77 in New York, 73 in Islip, and 70 in Montauk. Alright, let's take a look at our short-range public discussion here around the country. There'll be a slight risk of some severe thunderstorms over the upper Mississippi Valley and heavy rain possible over the northern Carolina coast. A quasi-stationary frontal will extend from the Carolinas northwestward to the upper Mississippi Valley throughout Saturday as showers and thunderstorms will develop along the boundary and also throughout Saturday. A second front over the Pacific Northwest will move eastward to the northern plains Great Basin by Saturday. The boundary radiant and development in showers and thunderstorms over the parts of the northern Rockies on Friday afternoon and evening. A plume of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico will intersect the front over the northern plains on Saturday evening and produce an area of showers and thunderstorms with moderate rain over parts of the northern and central plains. Meanwhile, an upper level disturbance over the Texas will produce showers and thunderstorms over parts of the West Texas spots Saturday morning. In addition, an level impulse over the middle Mississippi Valley will aid in the development of showers and thunderstorms over the parts of the area on Friday morning. Another area of upper level energy will be along the east coast of Florida that will likewise produce showers and thunderstorms over the Florida front Saturday. Furthermore, low pressure over the southeastern Canada will aid and produce a light rain over parts of the area on Friday morning. Forecast discussion around New England here. Surface high pressure builds over the region and bringing in an extended period of dry weather and comfortable humidity levels found early next week. A cold front may bring the threat of a few showers and thunderstorms for the middle of next week, but a washout is not expected. Near-term forecast until 10:15 update. A beautiful day is already in progress. 8 to 50 temperatures around 8 Celsius above should support after the rise to the 70s to after 80 at a few locations south of the Massachusetts back inland from immediate coastlines. Namely, dry air mass in place for late June standards will result in low humidity values. Plenty of sunshine will continue but should be seen at least some durable clouds of cumulus type during the afternoon hours as deep and enough mix and should result in 20 mile per hour wind gusts developing inland from the coast by the afternoon. However, gradient is weak enough for say breeze development in some locales along the immediate coastline here. And we're going to take a look at this weak area of low pressure located about 70 miles east-northeast of Daytona Beach, Florida. That has resulted in continuing to produce strong showers and thunderstorms. The system has changed a little over the past several hours and significant development is not expected while drift slowly northward during the next day. So after that time, conditions are expected to remain unfavorable for development while the disturbance accelerates northwestward. Formation chats for 48 hours, low 10%, and formation chats for 5 days, low 10%. And we are seeing temperatures in the 70s, and we can see a touch of 80 in the Connecticut Valley and south of the Mass Pike and inland areas away from the coast. And let's take a look at our view on the deck here. And it shows a beautiful day on tap. A beautiful day on tap. Alright, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this. Mostly sunny skies for this afternoon with a high near 78 degrees northwest with about 10 miles per hour. Tonight, podcast got low 49 degrees north with about 5 miles per hour becoming common in the evening. Saturday, sunny skies high near 78 degrees, calm wind becoming westbound 5 miles per hour in the afternoon. Saturday night, podcast got low 52 degrees south with about 6 miles per hour covering. Calm in the evening. Sunday, mostly sunny skies high near 80 degrees, light variable wind. Sunday night, patch of fog after 4 a.m. overcast, podcast got low 55 degrees. Monday, patch of fog before 7 a.m. overcast, mostly sunny skies high near 82 degrees. Monday night, patch of fog after 4 a.m. overcast, podcast got low 58 degrees. And Tuesday, patch of fog before 7 a.m. and overcast, mostly sunny skies high near 84 degrees. Tuesday night, podcast got low 62 degrees. Wednesday, patch of sunny skies high near 82 degrees. Wednesday night, mostly got low 64 degrees. For Thursday, patch of sunny skies high near 80 degrees. Here's what a phrase of the day: a sunny and a fantastic funny on top. Peter Channel News Time is now 11:38, and it's time now for the traffic report here. And it shows Route 3 northbound. A little slow on the northbound side from 220 into Norwell all the way down to Weymouth due to one accident on Route 3 south on exit 60, which is Route 18 in Weymouth, and another accident on Route 3 south near Weymouth. So trust of sector in that area. And the Braintree split is Route 3 slope from the Southeast Expressway southbound all the way down to Weymouth. And Tip O'Neill till 93 southbound congestion all the way down to the Mass Avenue exit. And you got Route 1 north a little slow around the Lynn Street exit in Revere here. And Mass Pike eastbound a little bumper as you approach 120 out in Weston. And 495 North Little Soul from Bolton all the way on Littleton to do some more work. Alright, you're good to go. This is BJ with you, man. Good day with a good positive attitude.